Hello everyone, welcome to Channel Nitrix. Today we will open the box of the GPD Pocket 4 Handheld AI PC and take a quick look at the components of the box. The device comes with two different versions in terms of processor, as it comes with AI9HX370 and 8840U. With existing 64GB RAM and 2TB SSD, RS-232, KVM, and 4G LTE, and a feature microSD card reader. The Pocket 4 Handheld AI PC comes with 8.8-inch screen, only half the size of an A4 sheet. The GPD Pocket 4 is a compact device with 64GB RAM and 2TB SSD, featuring active cooling for superior performance compared to the MacBook Air. While being lighter, and the Pocket 4 Handheld AI PC comes with and supports EIA RS-232 serial port, module ARS-232 serial port module, creating a mobile workstation for maintenance engineers, and also standard module, microSD card reader and read, 160 megabytes, write, 120 megabytes,